Today I'm making a spicy, tangy fish delicacy, Mangalorean style pomfret fish curry. This is really easy and tastes super delicious. So please try the recipe this way and I hope you enjoy it. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients will always be displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make the Mangalorean pomfret curry, here I have taken 550 grams of pomfret that I have cut into medium-sized pieces. First I'm going to marinate the pomfret. For that, here I have half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'll add all of that to the pomfret and nicely coat the pomfret with all these powdered spices and set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to lightly fry the marinated pomfret. For that, here I have 2 tablespoons of oil and the marinated fish. Frying of the pomfret is optional. If you want, you can directly add the marinated fish to the gravy. Frying gives the fish a little bit of an enhanced flavor. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be really heated up before adding the marinated pomfret. The oil is now hot, so I will now add the marinated pomfret and we will lightly fry the pomfret for about 3 to 5 minutes. We don't have to fry it for too long. Just 3 to 5 minutes is fine for this recipe. As you're frying the pomfret, make sure you flip the pomfret on the other side as well, so both the sides get nicely evenly fried. I have fried the fishes for about 5 minutes. Now I will go ahead and start setting the fish aside. These are all the ingredients that we need to make the Mangalorean pomfret curry. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, 4 green chilies, 1 large onion 200 grams finely chopped, some dry powdered spices, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also use regular red chili powder if you want more heat, 3 teaspoons coriander powder, tamarind water. I have soaked 2 tablespoons of tamarind in a half a cup of warm water, a few curry leaves, 1 cup of coconut milk and some salt as per taste. In the same pan and to the leftover oil, I'm adding the additional 1 tablespoon. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the chopped onions. The oil is now hot. I will add the finely chopped onions and also add the green chilies. I have split the green chilies in the middle. Now we will fry this till the onions caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized and turned light brown. Now we will add the dry powdered spices, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, and now mix this well together and we will saute this for 1 minute. We have sauteed the spices for a minute. Now we will add the tamarind water and now at a low to a medium low flame continue to fry this for another 4 to 5 minutes till this thickens up and you can see the oil separating out. It's been about 4 minutes and you can see the masala has nicely thickened up and the oil is also separating out. So our masala is now really well fried. Now we will go ahead and add the fried fishes. So go ahead and add all of that. I added all the fried fishes. Now I will add half a cup of warm water and mix the fish well with the masala and we will continue to cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now if you choose to not fry the fish and add the marinated fish directly to the masala here, then you need to add a little more water, 1 cup of water, and continue to cook the fish till it is completely done. Since we have already fried the fish, we are only going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. I have cooked the fish for another 3 minutes. Now I will add the curry leaves and also add the coconut milk and we will also add some salt as per taste. We also marinated the fish with some salt, so just be mindful when adding the salt. And now again, mix everything well together, and at a low to a medium low flame, we will continue to cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes. It's been another 3 minutes and our Mangalorean style pomfret curry is completely ready. It's a really easy, just super delicious fish recipe, just great to enjoy with a hot bowl of rice. So please do try the recipe this way and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.